Question number 6 from Standard 6. Coney Baker CFA is an analyst with the brokerage and investment banking firm HNS. Baker's supervisor, John Lewis, has asked her to write a research report on Jagged Rock Brewing Company. So basically, Baker is an analyst with one of the firm, HNS firm के साथ he is working, and his supervisor, uh, John, has asked her to write a research report on one of the companies, which is Jagged Rock Company. So, abhi the question is about the conflict of interest. Abhi, whenever there is like supervisor has asked to write a research report on XYZ company, you need to check कि यहाँ पे कुछ conflict of interest है क्या. अगर conflict of interest है, तो वहाँ पे disclosure is required. In this question also, so the boss has asked Baker to write a research report on Jagged, and यहाँ पे हमें देखना है कुछ possible conflict of interest है क्या. Let's read the question further. उसमें दिया है the HNS, the company where Baker is working. Yeah. So that HNS mergers and acquisition department has represented the Jagged Rock in all of its acquisitions for the last 12 years. So अभी जहाँ पे Baker is working, that company is HNS, and that company has represented Jagged in all the mergers and acquisition cases for the last 12 years. So basically HNS is handling all the mergers and acquisition का जो भी काम है, it is on HNS. And Baker belongs to HNS company, and now she is writing a research report on Jagged Rock. So we need to understand that there is some relationship between HNS and Jagged Rock. So for the last 12 years, HNS company is managing all the mergers and acquisition cases for the Jagged and Rock. So obviously there is a conflict of interest. How this conflict of interest is there? Because see, to continue that relationship of 12 years, in future also they should get a business from Jagged Rock. That's why they will obviously be biased and write good things about Jagged Rock. So that's why there is a conflict for which disclosure is required. So let's say disclose किया है नहीं किया है, but at this point we can say that there is a conflict, because to continue that relationship in future also, to get the business from Jagged Rock, they are going to write good things about Jagged Rock. बाद में दिया है both HNS sit on Jagged Rock's board. यहाँ पे सेकेंड केस भी है कि HNS is on the board of directors for the Jagged Rock company. Again there is relationship between HNS and Jagged Rock क्योंकि उसके board of director पे the members are from HNS. So again, and we know that the salary of the board of directors is dependent on the share price of the company. So अभी अगर Jagged Rock का share price बढ़ता है तो board of directors को अच्छा compensation मिलेगा, because their salary is dependent on the share price. So let's say if HNS company gives buy recommendation on Jagged Rock, obviously the share price will go up and it will benefit the board of directors because उनका salary is dependent on share price. So again, for this reason, there is a conflict for which disclosure is required. So in both the cases, merger and acquisition वाला भी and the board member के इसमें भी, in both the cases, disclosure is required. According to standards of professional conduct, can Baker write the report? So yes, he can write the report. She can write the report only with the disclosure of both the things because दोनों केस में conflict है. So in yesterday's session, we have discussed that question about the personal holdings of the stock. Then someone from your first family or first circle, they hold the stock where there is a conflict of interest. We have discussed that in yesterday's session. Now, उसमें ही एडिशनल फ्यू पॉइंट्स है, जैसे बोर्ड मेंबर, इफ यू आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग ऑन अ बोर्ड मेंबर ऑफ ऑन अ कंपनी जिसका आपको रिसर्च रिपोर्ट लिखना है, अगेन देर इज अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट फॉर विच डिस्क्लोजर इज रिक्वायर्ड. एनी काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप इज देयर बिटवीन टू कंपनीज, अगेन देर वुड बी अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, जैसे इस केस में मर्जर्स एंड एक्विजिशन का है. So for which we need to disclose these things. With the disclosures, one can write the research report. So yes, he can write the research report. Options either B or C. B में दिया है yes if she discloses the Dictatorship and the mergers and acquisitions relationship, yes, both the things needs to be disclosed, so the answer would be B. And C में दिया है only, okay, if she maintains the independence and objectivity in its preparation. C is also correct, but हमें पता है अभी now this question is for the from the standard 6, so looking at the standard 6, this would be the correct one. बट अगर एग्जाम में आया ये क्वेश्चन तो दे विल स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन कि किस चीज का है, दोनों ऑप्शंस में ही नहीं रहेगा, राइट, दे विल गिव आइदर बी और सी, और अगर गलती से दोनों भी आया है, सो यू विल गेट अ बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट, इवन इफ यू मार्क बी और सी यू विल गेट इट राइट, बट ऐसे जनरली एग्जाम में नहीं होता है, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, as this question is under standard 6, we'll be marking B for this one.